Many people have an opinion on the topic of, getting paid for doing what you love, or getting paid for your passion and all that. And some people say it's possible. Some people say, nah, you shouldn't follow your passion. You need to follow the money. Some people say, no, you can make it happen. So I got my thoughts on it. Now, me personally, I feel like in this day and age, right, that it is very possible to make money doing what you love. All right. Now, depending on how much money you can make doing it, can you make $1 million from what you love? Maybe not everything, but I'm a strong believer that in most cases you can make enough money to live off of from what you love, right? From your passion. It's just a matter of having that determination and having the know-how to do it, right? And for example, if you are into fitness, okay, so you're like, you're big into, fitness, working out, you're knowledgeable, maybe you're a certified trainer, maybe you're not, you just, have knowledge in fitness, right? Have a passion for it. Okay, well, you can make money from YouTube, right? Talking about exercise and workouts, giving tips, okay? You also could offer online coaching, online nutrition coaching, online personal training, where people will pay you for your training, for your knowledge. That is a way that a fitness person can make money doing what they love, what they're passionate about. Okay, say you are a writer. You just enjoy writing, but how can you make money online, writing? All right, pretty simple. You can actually have your own blog, right? Whatever your niche is, whatever. On that blog, you can have affiliate programs or even Google ads where you can start generating an income every time you post content and, it gets submitted out everywhere and people start to find it. You can start earning money that way. Now, as a writer, you also could make money selling books on Amazon. People out there making a full-time income just by selling Kindle books. And one thing to take note of, you can write books under pen names. So everything you put out, it doesn't have to be under you, because I know a lot of people like, well, I got these ideas, but I don't want people to know I'm the author. It's all good. You can use pen names. A lot of people use pen names. I myself use several different pen names. Now, some other things you can do if you are a writer that you can generate some money is, freelance writing. You can go to sites like Fiverr and freelancer.com. And there's another one, but I forget. Do a Google search for freelance writing job. So you like to sing, right? You got a great voice. Like, that's what you do. You enjoy singing. So you might be like, well, I ain't gonna get no record deal or nothing like that. Like, come on. Well, once again, we go back to YouTube, right? You can sing like a cappella songs or even sing original songs on YouTube, and you can start generating an income. Once you get qualified for like YouTube ad money, you can start getting money doing like, cover songs and everything like that. Now, be careful with the legalities of like doing cover songs, whatever, using music and stuff like that. But all else fails, you can sing songs a cappella, or, like I said, your own original songs, and really have fun with it, because like I said, you're just doing what you love anyway. So, but that's a way that you can profit, get you a YouTube channel. And now you can do that with other platforms like TikTok. You can earn money from TikTok. You can earn money from Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and it might even be a new social media platform as you're watching this video. I don't know. But all you need to do is take your singing talent, really go in, have fun, sing, upload them videos, and you could be earning ad money. Another option you could do, if you really feel confident and people always tell you how good you sing, you can create your own course on how to sing, right? You can create just like an 8-module course, right? That just kind of breaks down the singing and give your tips and tricks to becoming a better singer. And you can have that product forever, right? And be making money for many, many years down the road. Now, if you are a musician, a rapper, right? A singer, or, you play an instrument, you can use the same philosophy, right? Get on YouTube, post your content. You can sell your music on these platforms, right? So if you're an artist and you got a new song out, you can use a site called DistroKid. I'll put a link in the description. If you are an artist up and coming or whatever, you can get your music distributed on all of the major streaming platforms. You can generate money from, YouTube ads, TikTok, all that other stuff, as well as selling your music. And once again, you can still come up with a course, just like the singing I said, where you can teach people how to rap or how to sing or how to play an instrument or how to make beats. You can create courses, and there are a lot of musicians out there making 6 figures a year, not even from their damn music, but just from teaching how to make music, right? And you could do that as well if you want. They probably thinking, okay, Earl, that's nice, but none of that appeals to me, right? I don't got none of them skills. I can't sing. I'm not a musician. I don't write. None of that. I'm not into fitness. You know what I'm saying? But I do have a lot of opinions on things, right? I do like to give my 2 cents, right? I like to share my opinion. All right, I got you. You can make money online with your damn opinion. That's how you can do it. YouTube again, right? Create a YouTube channel where you talk about, your opinions on things, right? Just make sure you don't get canceled. Be careful what you say, because you might get canceled real quick. All right, I'm just joking. Do what you do. But yeah, you got YouTube, or you could even start a podcast. All right, and you can share your opinions and all that good stuff on your podcast. And now what they do is combine everything, right? So you could do a video podcast, take the audio, put it on all of the podcast streaming sites, and have the videos on YouTube, right? Then you could take the YouTube video and slice it up and put in like 3 or 4 little videos and put those as YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, and Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels. So you got a ton of content out there, and you're just giving your opinion, and you can start generating ad money from a lot of these platforms as well. Check it out. If you got a podcast, you can actually have affiliate products that you promote, like on your little, on your website, on your YouTube videos. If you're affiliated with anything, you can put those links on your video content and everything, and start generating passive income just by doing what you love, by sharing your opinion. So what if you just like to give advice, right? Like you really want to hear people's problems, or when you do hear people's problems, you like to, give them some direction, not necessarily just like your opinion, like really give advice and help people out. Same thing, guys. Get on YouTube, create a YouTube channel. You can have a podcast. You can create a blog, right? Where you actually take questions that you see on different forums, or even have people submit questions to you. You can write blog posts about it. Like I said, the YouTube, podcast, blog. Chop up your blog and make that content and distribute it on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. You get the point, right? So if you just like to give advice, you can still make money online by doing that. And there's also other sites out there strictly for giving advice, where you can actually get paid like per minute or per call. People want your advice, they will actually pay you for it directly. One thing that you can do that pretty much covers all niches and all categories is merch, right? So you could always get with a print on demand site like Spreadshirt or Printify. I think it's called Printify, right? Printify, something like that, where if you got different sayings or you have a logo, you can actually promote your merchandise on wherever you're at, whether it be the YouTube, whether it be your blog, whether it be your podcast or whatever. If you got any sort of merchandise, t-shirts, coffee mugs, hats, sweatshirts, shoes in some cases, whatever, you can promote that and start generating some extra income, and you're doing what you love. It's all good. Like, come on. So like I said, if you're into fitness and there's a saying that you always have or you always talk about, put it on the shirt. Go hard today, or go hard 24/7, or whatever. If you're a singer, you can come up with a little catchy phrase. If you are, even a writer, which I don't know, I guess you could come up with some sort of shirt for writers or whatever. But hopefully this video opened up your eyes and let you see that no matter what you're into, whatever you enjoy, you can make money doing it in some way or another. Now you should be ready, motivated to do what you love and start generating that income. Comment below and let me know what you're passionate about and what you plan on making money doing. Earlier in this video, I talked about, if you are a musician, some ways that you can earn money. And my first love, without a doubt, is creating music. That's where the whole Batman comes from. So right now you could check out my latest song that I put out called I Want It All. You could watch it on YouTube right now. Link in the description. Show your boy some love.